Hello, good morning students. Today's thought, biology always beats willpower. Okay, and topic is here arthropoda. Topic is here arthropoda. So arthropoda words is derived from a Greek word which is arthon plus podos. Arthon means jointed or podos means foot. Means in this phylum we observe here jointed legs. Okay, jointed legs we observe in this phylum's animals. Okay, so this is the second things. This is the largest phylum. This is the largest phylum and 9.5 lakh species contained in this phylum. Okay, it is the largest phylum. Okay, and the name of the arthropoda was first suggested by one, this please mistake here, von Siebold. First we read here one, then Siebold, von Siebold in 1845. Okay, so and Aristotle described the few types of crab and others. Okay, arthropoda. Aristotle described the few types of crabs and other arthropods or Linnaeus. Linnaeus suggested common name of insecta. So we know that in arthropoda we discuss the insecta, all insect organisms in this phylum. So Linnaeus suggested all organism of the arthropoda insecta name. Okay, and Lamarck classified the insecta into three classes. First is a crustaceae, second is a hexapoda, and third is a arachnida. So insecta is classified into three classes: crustaceae, hexapoda, arachnida, that type of organisms. Okay, and now we observe which type of organisms we study here. Okay, so look at this place in the picture. This is a grasshopper, okay, butterfly, scorpion or crab. Okay, that type of organism we study in this phylum. Grasshopper, butterfly, scorpion or crab. Okay, so these type of organisms we study in this phylum. So now we discuss the characteristics of this phylum. So first we discuss about the occurrence place. Okay, means habitat where these organisms are found. So these organisms are found in land, air, water and top of high mountains also. Okay, these are found in the land, air, water and top of high mountains, and they have bilateral symmetry. Means if the organism is divided in two equal half by one plane line. Okay, if this organism is divided by one plane line, so this is divided to equal half, it is also divided to two equal half. If we divide this organism this type, so this is also divided to equal half, so that organism possesses bilateral symmetry. Okay, and triploblastic animal means that organism possess epidermal, mesodermal or endodermal, and segmented body is segmented, but metameric type of segmentation is not occur. Okay, which is already discussed in its before phylum. Okay, exoskeleton is present here. Or this exoskeleton is thick and hard, which is made up of chitinous cuticle protein secreted by the epidermal body wall. Okay, epidermal body wall. Okay, next is the muscular system. Muscular system is a well developed, muscles fibers always jointed. Muscular system is a well developed and muscles fibers always joined. Okay, digestive system is a complete. Digestive system is here completed, or extracellular type of digestion is occur here. Okay, next point is a open type of circulatory system, means blood does not flow in the veins. Okay, blood does not flow in the veins, so open type of blood vascular system is present here. Blood flow through the hemocoel. Okay, blood always through with the Hemocoel. Okay, different types of respiratory organs are present in different organism of this phylum. Okay, gills always present in the aquatic animals. Okay, book lungs present in the scorpion. Most important topic. Every time ask book lungs, where book lungs are present. So book lungs are present in the scorpion. This is a terrestrial organism. And book gills or tracheal system. Book gills or tracheal systems are present in insect like the ant. Okay, and locomotion. Locomotory organ is here limbs. Locomotory organs is here limbs. So three pairs, most common feature of the three pair of insect present in, or three pairs of the legs present in insect, and four pairs of legs present in scorpion, and five pairs of legs present in the prawn. So that type of, and some organism possess wings for the locomotion. Okay, so that type of character we observe in the arthropod. Male and female are separate here. Male and females are separate here. Okay, means male reproductive organ present on the different body and female reproductive organs are present on the different body. Okay, excretion. Excretory organ is here Malpighian tubules. Excretory organ is here Malpighian tubule, which are also known as the green gland. Okay, development is occurred direct. In some organisms development is occur direct, and in some organisms this development occur indirect. Okay, we discuss about the example. Example is a prawn. Prawn is also paleomon or scorpion, buthus, and cockroach, mosquito, culex or anopheles species, and Drosophila are the example of the arthropoda phylum. Okay, so some discuss the important organism of this phylum. First is the Drosophila. Drosophila is also known as the fruit fly. Okay, Drosophila is also known as the fruit fly, or T.H. Morgan used for this fruit fly for many genetic experiments. T.H. Morgan used for this fruit fly for the many genetic experiment because due to the short lifespan, near about 10 days. Okay, and this is a small insect. This is a small insect about the 1/4 of the housefly. It is a small insect about 1/4 of the housefly. Okay, feed upon the fermenting fruit. Okay, feed upon the fermenting fruit. Okay, next example of the arthropoda, which is a silk moth. Okay, very important word about the silk moth. Adult silk moth do not feed, but larval means capillary. Okay, capillary stage of the organism feed, means capillary caterpillar stage of the silk moth eat the leaves. Okay, and next is the mosquito. Mosquito, everyone know about the mosquito. Okay, so that mosquito contains sound organ, or these sound organs are called the halters. These sound organs are called the halters, or female mosquito sucking the blood. Okay, sucking the blood, and from the sucking blood they obtain their nutrition, so they are called the sanguivorous. Okay, and larva of the mosquito is called the wrigglers. Larva of the mosquito is called the wrigglers. Male mosquito does not suck the blood of the person, and because they don't have maxillae and mandibles. They don't have maxillae and mandible, therefore they do not form the long and needle shaped stylus. Therefore they cannot suck the blood. Okay, so this is the arthropoda phylum. Okay, and it's some organism. Okay, thank you, students.